Good morning, students. How are you today? Today we're going to have a new lesson today, changing variables with artist. If you remember, we have 3 lessons before about the variables, and I believe everyone start understanding what the benefits of using variables with the code.org. Okay, today we have a very simple lesson. Today we're going to learn more things using the variables, changing variables with artist. It means here artist, it means we're going to draw something. Okay, our objective for today is modify programs that use variables to store and modify data. Success criteria number 1, assign values to existing variables. Number 2, utilize variables in place of repetitive values inside a program. Use variables to change values inside of a loop. Okay, let's start with the practices. We'll go to lesson 10, changing variables with artist. Here in the first practice, let me delete wherever I did here. Start over. Let's start this section by drawing a triangle with 150 pixels sides. It means each side here it is 150 pixel. Be sure to use the length variables and repeat loop. Okay, how we use the variables here, guys, means first where we go, set length to, if length is not there, we gonna rename it if you remember. Okay, set length to how many? 150 pixel. It means we're gonna go to math, we'll get this number, put it here, changes to 150 pixels. To draw the 3 sides of this triangle, we need to use how many? Repeat how many times, guys? 3 times. Move forward actions. Move forward by 150 or length because we already give a variable here. He asked us to use the variable. Okay. Then we need to, until reach here, it will turn left, right? Again, here it will turn left. Okay, how many degrees? 120 degrees. Okay, here turn left, 120 degrees inside the loop. Let's try. And we complete puzzle number 1. I believe it's very easy for everyone. Let's click continue and go to puzzle number 2. Let me here click start over. Okay, let me play the instruction this time.
Rebuild the triangle code from the last puzzle, but this time use the set length to block to reset the length variable to length plus 10 at the end of each loop iteration. The length of the first side of the triangle is 150 pixels.
Okay, same. The length of the first triangle is 150 pixel, but here he's telling us plus 10. Set length to length plus 10 inside where, guys? Inside the loop. It means every time looping, every time repeating, they're doing extra 10 pixel. Let's see what is the result in the end. Okay, for sure we're gonna do the same. We're gonna go to variables, set length to 100 from math, 150 pixel. Okay, then we're gonna use this time the same thing exactly, the loop 3 times. Move forward by length, turn left by 120 degree. Then the new things what you're going to do here, we're gonna set the length one more time inside the loop. If you remember, we did this also in the previous lesson. Okay, set length here. What we're gonna do, math, this one. What we're gonna add here, variable length plus what, guys? Plus 10. It means this size, it will increase every time by 10 pixels. See, guys, here, this one. Let's try to run. Okay, guys, understand this? It means here, it is 150. This one is 160. This one 170. This is what we did when we put the length again plus 10 inside the repeat. Okay guys, let's go to the next puzzle. In puzzle number 3, see guys what beautiful things what we're going to create here. See guys, he keep us, no, we're gonna click here, I'm gonna click start over to nothing there actually because I did this before. Start over number 3. Number 3, he already solved some part of it, okay? Here what they say, time to make some art. We need to create some art here. If you remember, we did something like this before. See what happened when you repeat the code from the last puzzle. Last puzzle, it was 3. We're gonna repeat it how many times here? 30 times instead of only 3 times. Feel free to make your lines any color or pattern for some extra zest. If you want to change the color or anything you want, you're gonna go where guys? Brushes, set pattern, anything you want. See here. Okay. Then this time, repeat time, what we're gonna do? 30 times. Okay, if you don't want to use this one, up to you guys. Then what you need to do to press run. What beautiful things that you are creating here. Okay guys, you want to add anything you want to do something else, you can do wherever you want. Then you click when you complete, finish. Okay guys, also you can do something, you can copy this link and share it to feedback discussion that all the students can see what you did in puzzle 3. Okay guys, let's click continue. Number 4. Here in number 4.
Here's your code from the last puzzle. Try editing the variable in other ways. What happens if you start out with length less than 150? What if you multiply your variable by 1.25 each time through? What will your code do if you turn 119 degrees?
What do you think guys here? What are we gonna do here? What you will do here guys? Okay, here the set length to 150. What happen if you start with the length less than 150? You can do it 130. Okay, then here what is the multiply if your variable by 1.25 each time through? How we can do this guys? We're gonna go here and change this to multiply. Here we're gonna change it to 1.25. okay, what will code will turn 190 degrees? This one here. Okay, we're gonna change it to 190. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay guys, you see what's happening here? We draw a different type of shape. Okay guys, we can do multiply. The length here, multiply 1.25. This is the size of 130. Let's make it 20. See what will happen. To see it. Okay guys, I believe that you understand what I did here. Okay guys, in number 5, okay, here free play. Take what you have learned and make your own drawing. How can you variable with the squares, pentagons or hexagons or anything you want to draw? This is, I keep it for you guys. It's mentioned here infinity blocks. Okay, there is 14 here it means, but you can delete whatever this and start doing your any type of things. And please, this one, the last one, when you complete it, when you click finish, I want to share it with us on the feedback discussion. And in the end of the lesson, if you can take a screenshot of whatever here all and submit it on the assignment in week 23. Okay, guys, and don't forget to give me the feedback about the lesson also in week 23. Okay, guys, see you. Bye.